check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. So many customers are asking us to sell a 12-volt battery, electric, licensed Volvo XC90 ride-on car, so we felt we had to stock it due to the sheer amount of interest. With the wheel arches a lot higher makes this ideal for garden play, assuming the grass is nice and short, especially when you power it with a 12-volt battery and powerful motors. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. 3-way key start with keys included. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. Padded leather style seats. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.